I hate you. 7 o'clock but only 9 o'clock. You let me climb trees for 2 hours. You go. Don't wanna talk to me anymore. I heard you explain first. I got stuck in traffic and had a real problem. Hey, where are you going? To Za. Wait for me. Why go to so fast? Darling. As a gift to apologize to your girlfriend, get a box of paint and a card with a heart shape. Right after the apology and draw a heart, then paint red on the heart. Watercolor paint red. Tape. Dye the heart red, tie a pretty bow on the card, have a key attached, so she can easily discover her heart. Fold the gift, bring it to your darling. It's frustrating, crazy. Hi honey, you are still mad at me. I have a gift for you. I'm sorry for being late. I'm sorry. Open your gift. Huh, hate it. What gifts are gifts? Makes me sad. I'm sorry yesterday. I love you so much. Get your gifts. Please leave them here. I will go if it stops my anger in my heart. You go, baby. Dear, my love. What gift? Open it. Have the key again. So curious. Oh, this cute red heart shape. Let's see. Sorry word. So touching. Too simple. This black shirt is too simple. Duyan doesn't feel good. What should I do? While she was confused, in front of the pile of clothes she suddenly found a halter shirt. The idea was quite interesting. Well, how does she design from a simple shirt to an individual shirt? Very pretty. Look at the bright smile on her mouth. The shirt really suits her physique. She pointed out her new idea. Design the shirt according to this line, then cut it. This white rope shirt beveled diagonally on both sides, forming a sharp line in the middle to lengthen. With scissors cut a line in the middle of the tip, creating 2 tassels. Duyan wears a shirt. Very beautiful. Too simple. Oh, and this pink corduroy shirt, both long and wide, is too simple. She has a new idea. Put this shirt on the table, cut off the bottom part of the shirt, stick a large, long tape over it, leave the shirt flat and place in place. Leave about 4 inches. Very beautiful. The shirt is not long and wide, but very well suited to the Duyan's measurements. Look at those tassels. They can shake so hard they move. Very cute. Very beautiful. She has a black shirt with very pretty heart-shaped glitter. How did she decorate it? Let's see what she does. Take the glue machine to make small circles out of the shirt. Create circles in the shape of the heart, then put glitter on it. Put wet absorbent paper on it. Use iron. Press it. The shirt is very cute.